Hi there, this is the update. Let me just check the height of that. See, there's a bit of a gap there, and this does have bolts underneath. I won't move this PSU at the moment because it's a bit lined up to show you. I haven't stuck this together, but as I say, used to say on Blue Pete or something, if you remember that, he's one I did earlier. That's just super glue, CA glue, not as strong. Now if this gets a whack, I think it will split along the join, so I don't want whacking. A bit of super glue did come out there. I just put some on the edge, stuck it together, and then I put some in some of these like hexagon dents, some on the edges, held them together. That one's much wider, see, well, quite a bit wider. I've also added this, let me move the camera. So I've added this like bar here, and that's for the wires to go across from the contacts. I'm just printing out another one of these, well, possibly a bit shorter, and there's a ridge there, like a bump there, so you can clamp the wire in between that, so it's like strain relief. I was thinking maybe doing another iteration, well, of this part 2, I think it is. So we've got 4 parts altogether. You've got 2 of the body and 2 of the lid, which I haven't really printed out yet at all. I'm just printing out, if you had the printer going, I'll just print out one of these, and it doesn't matter the colour really, although you could use different colours to signify different things, like a red one for the mains or something. I'm sure I have a red one somewhere. Well, anyway, it's like different sizes because I've reduced the width. What else can I say? As I say, it's got vents on. I think I might put some like bars underneath, like this, but much narrower underneath all the way along for the power supply unit to stand on. Actually, I'll show you, just a second. Oops. Because all these power supply units have is a clip like this, which is better than nothing. That's all they have to protect you. Or I've tried to, when I've done the holes, I've tried to move them over to the left, well, this side a bit, because you do have an adjustment there, fine adjustment to adjust the power, well, the voltage coming out, LED. Something I never thought about the LED. You'll be able to see it. But see, on mine I've got these balls bolted in and nuts, so I can adjust like at the height how I want. I haven't put holes in the bottom. I haven't put any low voltage holes in here because you know, depending what wires you want to come out, you might only want 1 hole, you might want 2, might want possibly 3 or 4 or something, I don't know. So that's a pretty standard power supply. This is 24 volts. I do have a 12 volt one, and that's about the same physical size, I think. Right, enough of that, I think. So I was thinking of making it a bit, just that little bit longer. I don't know, to be honest with you. I'll have to think about it, because when this is closed together, it's a bit awkward with those standoffs actually just sticking in the hexagon dents a bit. In my case, there's not much space between sort of here and here. I would like about 5 or 10 millimeters more think I'll do that, yeah, do 10 millimeters more. So that's another iteration to come. Right, yep, coming along okay. Well, I haven't printed these out yet, but I've done some tweaking on these. I put a couple of bumps on this bar here to act as a strain relief. There's some clamps to go on top. I put some almost standoffs here for the PSU to go on, and I put some extra holes for ventilation in the bottom. I made it a little bit longer as well to give a bit more gap between this strain relief bar and the edge of the PSU. So that will allow a bit more air circulation. See, there's gaps there so the air can circulate a little bit under there, because there is like vents in the PSU on the underside, on the edges. I'm just trying to decide whether to actually add a few more holes, but don't want to weaken it too much. I think that should be enough. I mean, we've got all the slats in, like vents in the sides, slats, whatever you want to call them.